black beans, but you can always use black eye beans. I just don't have that today. I have 3 cans of them. I've got 1 chopped tomatoes. I have 3 Magi Cubes there. Got my onions. I have my blended garlic, ginger and onions. And I've got an all-purpose seasoning. Garlic, ginger and onions with green chilies in there. And over here we've got Gizzard. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to add in my garlic, onion and ginger paste in here. I've got my meat on medium heat. Now I'm just going to add in I would say that's a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. And now I'm just going to mix it all up together. And I'm just going to cover and leave it to cook. Okay, so our gizzard's been cooking for 15 minutes. It's all cooked. Now we're just going to take it out of the pan. So we added in our palm oil. Now that goes in our blended ginger, garlic and pepper. In goes our sliced onions. We'll just cook this down for 5 minutes. Okay, so this has been cooking for 5 minutes. Add in your chopped tomatoes. I'm going to add in my beans as well. And just mix everything together nicely. I'm going to add back in my gizzard with the stock. You can cook down your own beans, and add it to it. I just don't have time today, so I'm using canned beans just to make life a lot easier. And I'm just going to cover and let everything cook down. Okay, so this has been cooking for 5 minutes. Just looking lovely. Okay, so this has been cooking for 15 minutes. I'm going to stir that up. I'm just going to add in our spinach. Oh, my kitchen smells so lovely, guys. Look at the beautiful colors. Okay, spinach contains a lot of water, so I'm just going to cover this and allow the water to cook down. Adding in 3 Magi Cubes. I'm happy with this seasoning and the salt content. So our stew is literally cooked now.